Hi there, this is Matt Hall with UIS Insurance and Investments here in our Findlay office, and today I'm going to talk about agency commissions. Now, have you ever wondered how much your insurance agent earns on your premium dollars? Have you ever asked them? Well, we don't get asked much, but we feel like it's a question worth tackling. Now, at the end of the day, we understand that price does matter, and two different insurance companies can look at the same risk and have two different price points completely. However, the percentage that the agent earns in commission on that risk is relatively standard, and the value that they can bring to you can be a differentiator that may be overlooked in the insurance buying process. Now, today I want to kind of review how insurance companies earn a profit and then shoot to ways that you can look for your insurance agent to bring value and earn those commission dollars. Now, first, insurance companies, as you can see down at the below chart, have different lines of expenses, claims being the biggest portion of those, understandably. And that makes up between 55 and 65% of their overall expenses on a yearly basis. The next largest chunk are the insurance company expenses. Typically accounts for 25 to 35%. These include things like reinsurance for large claims and catastrophic events. Also payroll, advertising, and other operating expenses. Next is the agency commissions, and that typically accounts for 5 to 15% of the premium dollars, and it depends on lines of business, the size of the business, and things like that. So, biggest portion, what can you expect to receive for the premium that you're paying in commission dollars to your insurance agencies? I've outlined a few things here below. First is an opportunity to provide an annual review of all coverage, limits, and exposures that you have. Whether it's your personal life or your business, things are always changing, and you want to make sure that you have an opportunity to review those with your insurance agency. Next is marketing and placement of your insurance coverage to the insurance companies that they represent. Does your insurance agency have a deep bench of insurance companies? You want to make sure that they provide you an overview of the different companies that they represent and let you know the positives and negatives of each company, and then let you choose the two or three that you want a proposal from. And then once they do have a proposal, making sure that they give you a comparison of all the different coverages and what's good and bad with each one, and so you're not looking at the overall price point. Next is a local support team to react to your calls and questions. Every community that UIS serves has employees committed to extraordinary service and continuing education in insurance and risk management. Also, we've committed to the growth of each of our 13 offices in 13 communities in Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan, and we're socially and civically involved in each of those communities. Next is reporting assistance with your claims. As long as a claim is moving along smoothly in the process, it's best to deal directly with those insurance company adjusters. But if things go wrongly, or if you have questions in the process, always feel free to pick up the phone and call one of our associates, and their knowledge should help you through that process. And then the last is additional services. Now, depending on the size and complexity of your business or your insurance program, we can customize a risk management service platform for your business that will work to continually improve your overall risk profile, so that the different insurance companies that we represent are more attracted to your business. Now, each agency varies in their ability to provide you with a scope of services. At UIS Insurance and Investments, we feel like a combination of local touch and large agency resources is the right balance to provide you with the value that we're earning your commission dollars. Thanks for checking this out, and have a great day.